Riendekithia ria kumba kiama kia ndawa cia mahiu niritungite uregani munene ni ngwataniro ya marigitari a mahiu guku bururi-ini. Ngwataniro ino iri na memba makiria ma 15,000 ikiuria bunge ya Senate kuregana na watho uria wendekithitio wa kumba gwa kiama giki, kuona kuringana nao undu uyu ni ukuhatiriria arĩithia mahiu. Muikariri giti wa ngwataniro ino John Ngigi augite guthondekwo gwa kiama giki kieru ni gukurehe wagagu, kuona ni kuri bodi iriho cia guthondeka na guthurima ndawa cia mahiu.
We already have our regulatory bodies which are regulated by professionals. So when we now have overlapping roles, we might end up getting two regulatory.
Akiaria na andiki a mohoro mari mwena wa Naivasha kaunti-ini ya Naikuru, Ngugi augite kuhitukio kwa riendekithia riri ni gugucungiriria indo cia mahiu ta nyama na njũa kwaga thoko ya mabũrũri ma nanja, kuona no wagiriru wacio ndugukorwo ugitwarana na mendekithia ma ruhonge rwa ũgima wa mwĩrĩ rwa kimabũrũri rwa WHO.
By conferring regulation of veterinary medicine to another authority, there is likelihood of making ease of doing business in Kenya difficult, as this shall introduce double regulations of veterinary medicine, requiring dealers both at small and large scale to comply with VMD requirement and further the new authority requirement.
Ona kuri uguo, Ngugi ni anyitite mbaru mihang'o ĩrĩa ĩrathiĩ na mbere gũkũ bũrũri-inĩ ya gutheca mahiũ njanjo, akiuga mĩrimũ ĩmwe ya mahiũ nĩ ĩgũkorwo ĩkĩhũranwo nayo kaimana.
We are fully involved because we know the vaccines that are being vaccinated is FMD, which has been ongoing for many years back, and PPR. So it is nothing new. It's vaccines that have been previously used.
Augite mihang'o ĩno ĩtige kũingĩrĩria ũteti, kuria ugite arimi nio mekugunika ni amu nyama cia mahiũ mao ni kuona thoko ya mabũrũri ma nanja.
It's nothing to do with those maids of Bill Gates or what. It is all about FMD, and it is an exercise that will go on. So if we remove politics from this exercise, it is really helping the farmers to sell their products, because most of the international markets have been closed because of these two diseases.
Handũ-inĩ ha Kameme TV, njĩtagwo Nduta wa Buthia.